Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Cursor AI to build a website. So first, what we are going to do is we will go here to the files and open folder. So we will create basically the the folder where we will save this website. So website. So I will go with like something like that. Okay, and select folder. Now we are in website folder. So next what we are going to do is just simply we will type a description prompt into the here in this composer. So let's go with this example here of a website. So we will create a modern personal portfolio website including an index HTML style CSS sheet for clean layout and script.js file for an interactive dark mode toggle. Ensure it looks professional and it's fully responsive. Now cursor will stream the code generation and list the new file. So yeah. All right, so let's run this composer. Now you see here interactive thing that it's working in the background. So now we need to wait a few moments. Okay, so now you can see that it's created what we asked from him. And you see here on the right side, index HTML, the code and the style CSS is also here. Basically, how we uh, give order to the cursor. Now, we can also iteratively build out functionality by asking Composer to edit multiple files simultaneously. So, we we can you can use a symbol, this one right here. So I will just show you. So this one. Now what we can do is basically type in something like that here. So look at index HTML and style CSS and a brand new project section featuring a 3-column grid layout with hover animations. And we can ask it to expand our layout, so we can put also another thing into it, into the composer. So it's create a block HTML page that shares the same header, footer, and navigation now bar as index HTML. Okay, and we can now run this prompt. We need again to wait a few moments that he process everything. Okay, so now you can see that it's finished. Okay, so what we can do now is pretty much basically go here to the index HTML, right click on it, and then reveal in file explorer. So we will try now basically to open this web page. So let's go here. Now you can see we have here some scripts, style, block, index. So right click on that, or we can just double click on that and it will open up something like that. Now, as you can see, we have here our website. So how we want it, view my work. So as you can see, basically these buttons are active. So yeah, this is pretty much it. Now here in the code, you can change your logo here for this. You can change name, so you can change everything that you don't like here. But yeah, you can also type here what you don't like, and he will change it. So if Composer generates a script or style you don't understand, use the side panel chat to learn. So highlight the specific lines you want to understand. So let's say which one is more complicated. Let's go right here. And let's say we don't understand this code. Now copy it here. So like that. And now I will type in explain how this JavaScript function handles the dark mode state saving. So for example, and it will explain me that thing. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.